Recessing HVAC vents around seating preserves comfort without creating trip hazards or obstructing island seating sightlines. For a big family house kitchen project, focus on 3 integrated approaches that keep seated occupants comfortable and safe. First, install low-profile linear diffusers recessed into the toe kick or island base and set them parallel to seating so air is delivered evenly at ankle and knee height. Select diffusers with adjustable vanes and a sound-attenuating lining to reduce velocity and noise. Second, incorporate hydronic radiant elements in the floor or under bench seating to provide gentle, uniform warmth that does not cause drafts. Use a separate zone and a low-temperature differential to avoid overheating and ensure compatibility with existing boiler or heat pump systems. Third, design airflow paths so supply and return are balanced and avoid directing high-velocity streams across people. Position returns higher or within cabinet cavities to promote mixing without drafts. Protect recessed openings from spills and debris by adding removable magnetic or hinged screens and choose corrosion-resistant grills that are flush and easy to clean. Common mistakes include placing diffusers where people block airflow, which reduces effectiveness and increases noise. Move or lengthen outlets so flows run along the seating plane rather than into it. Another frequent issue is relying solely on forced air for seated comfort, which can create drafts and cold feet. Add radiant floor or bench heating to provide low-velocity warmth. A third problem is inadequate spill protection that leads to clogged vents and damaged components. Specify washable, removable screens, and design slight recess lips to divert liquids away from the opening, so maintenance is straightforward. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners looking for integrated recessed HVAC seating ideas with local contractors who can implement them. Our site also hosts a community discussion forum where we and other members share project photos, installation tips, and product experiences so everyone can learn from real projects.